Hey everybody, BigRigSteve here with BigRigTravels.com. Hey, today we're going to talk about this new cordless vacuum cleaner from Ganiza. I hope I'm saying that right. Anyways, it's a cordless vacuum cleaner, stick vacuum cleaner, and we've been playing with it and trying it out. So we're going to show you all about it right now. Do have to tell you that they did mail us this in exchange for a review. However, when we do our reviews, we're going to tell you what we really think. We're going to give you an honest opinion. Just because somebody mails us a product doesn't mean we're going to give them a perfect review unless the product's perfect. This, I think, is pretty dang close. Let's talk about it. Alright, so this is what you get in the box. Okay? You get the main power unit. And we're going to go through the stuff. Then I'm going to show you how to connect it, how to put it together, how to use it, and all that. So anyways, first things first, here's the power unit. Tell you what. You notice? Perfect handhold. Your trigger is right here. Perfect handhold. Real light. I mean, you know, it doesn't hurt your wrist or anything. Really feels comfortable, feels solid. I mean, it is plastic, but it's well built. It's not, you know, you don't hear the pieces moving and separating. It's all completely solid. All right, so you get the power unit, obviously. You get the charging plug, regular USA plug. You get the little instruction manual. You get the wall mount and the wall mount screws, so you can put it right there and it'll just hang on your wall. You get an extra HEPA filter. Filters out 99.99%. By the way, it comes with an extra, but it also comes with one in here already installed. And I'll show you how to change that out. So one of the attachments is this baby duster. You push down on this knob and it's all brush. You push down and pull back, then it's the hard without the brush. You know, normally when you get these, after a while, the brushes get wrinkled, you know, start to fall apart and whatnot. If you don't need the brush, slide the brush part back, and then you have this right here, so you don't have to worry about unnecessarily monkeying up the brush. I was going to say the fuzzies, but it's the brush. So we got that. You also have a standard issue crevice tool for those hard to reach places. You have this extension wand, you know, when you want to stand up and use it. So it looks pretty short, but check this out. You mash this and then it extends this far. Notice these grooves, or these indentions. You could move it to any length you want, and it locks into place. So if you don't need it all that long, you know, you can adjust it. If you want it long, you can. Then, of course, you have your vacuum floor head, carpet head. Look at the low profile that's got. That would be able to fit underneath any table, couches, chairs, anything like that, no problem. It wiggles side to side. So you'd be able to basically get it anywhere that you want to. So the way you connect it, you put this end. I lied. Hey, you put this end and you hear it snap. And of course, that's how you would use it. So you see, it can go any way. I mean, even 90-degree angle. All the way flat. Of course, same thing for these. You want to reach up to the curtain, you know, ceiling, whatever the case may be. It all attaches there. Now, what if you don't want to do all that stuff? What if you're working in a car or your truck? It attaches directly here. So now you just have a little spot cleaning or something when you don't need that long pole. Same thing with this. Extend your brush. That way you could do your vehicle dashboard or anything like that. And of course, believe it or not, if you want a baby vacuum, you know, I mean, so let's move this out of the way. Now it does take about 4 hours to charge from empty. That really isn't that bad because, I mean, you're going to use a vacuum cleaner. We got an hour out of it and it still had plenty of battery left. You're going to do your vacuuming and then you're going to stick it on the wall. 4 hours will pass before you know it. So here, well, let's take this off. First off, that's your power level. Let's turn it on by the red button. It starts off in low. There's your battery level. To make it go high, you push that. Push it again and it's low. Turn it off and you just simply hit that red button. Alright, so do it this way. Here's where all your dirt's going to end up. Time to empty it. Red latch. Open it out. Open it up. And out the dirt falls right over the trash. Now, and yes, we used it. How do you get that filter out? Remember I told you it came with an extra HEPA filter. You take your crevice tool, you line it up in the hole, turn it, and it comes right out. Then, turn this in there, and there's your HEPA filter. Super easy. You can wash this. We use an air gun to blow these off. Put it in there and turn it. Stick your crevice tool back in there. Line it up. Hear it click. So you put it in there until it locks. Super easy to clean out. Okay. Now that we dirtied that up. Alright, so we talked about that and that. Alright, so now let's talk about this. I'll show you. Check this out. It's got LED lights, 4 LED lights. There's your brushes in case you have hardwood floors. This will not scratch. This is like super soft. It will not scratch your floors. Very, very soft. So, trying to do this left-handed. So, after a while, you're going to get hair and might need to clean this out. So how do you get to this? Simple. See that little switch there? That's it. That's it. This is washable. Stick it under the sink, wash it. Make sure you dry it, pull the hairs out of it or whatever. So this is easily cleaned. Where did all this hair come from? You see one end is round, one end has got this gadget on it. You got a round end there. You got the square here. Flat side up. We'll put this end in. It's just like changing a roll of toilet paper. And there you go. I mean, it's easy. It really has a lot of attachments. That's really nice. This right here, solid. Now you think, how's the suction? How's the suction power on it? I'll show you. Okay, so we brought this little sample rug. I was trying to look for something to sprinkle on and show you how good it sucks up, but we'll just do this. This is low. That's high. We'll pull this out. Everybody knows how to vacuum. I mean, but I wanted to show you this. You saw how the suction was. It's a pretty strong motor. Obviously, if you do something like this, you're gonna, want to hold down with your feet on it or something. But it's pretty strong. It does pretty well. So now, remember I told you, lift this here. Just that little bit of vacuuming. Look at that. Just that itty bitty bit of vacuuming that we did. So, let's just spray it around. Now you can tell I have kitty cats. This is low. Okay, gotta hold down the fort. And there it is. I mean, I'll be honest with you. When we first were contacted about doing a review on this, I thought, well, battery operated stuff usually isn't all that great. Well, technology's changed a lot. And so I approve of this. I actually like this. Super light, super easy. 4 hours charge if you're empty. You see just this little bit how much it picked up. We pulled it out, put it back on, and did it. No problem whatsoever. So if you got spot cleaning or anything like that, if you have hardwood floors, carpeting, if you got this high pile stuff, or you have the little, I don't know, carpet, that's not super fluffy like that. Now let's look at that, even more. So, anyways, remember this name, Ganiza. Good vacuum cleaner. Links are in the video description and a blog post. I like this. Super light, super easy. If you're looking for a relatively inexpensive but quality build vacuum cleaner, this is it, in my opinion. Alright, BigRigSteve out. Make sure you pick one up. If you need one, they're good. I like it.